Hey friends, how are you today? I hope you're having a great day so far. Today's video is an unboxing on an item that I purchased from QVC, and it is a Lug wallet. So maybe you've seen my video on the Lug, it's like a backpack tote combo, I guess. Also crossbody, so it does three things. I'll link it up here if you're interested in seeing it. So I have that from Lug. I also have I think it's called the Trolley Dolly. I think that's what it's called. It's like a travel cosmetic case thing. It's super cool. I really love it. If you want to see that, let me know. So this is my third item from Lug. As you can see, it's small. This is how it came, and I haven't opened it yet. I only opened the outer packaging. But here it is. So this is if you're a lug nut, that's what lug lovers are called, lug nuts. If you're a lug nut, you probably already know what this is called, but this is called the Lug Splits Wallet. So when I saw this on QVC, I wasn't watching QVC. I was kind of going back through what their programs have been for the last 24 hours or whatever. And I saw this, and you know me, you know I like functionality, and this has a lot of functionality to it. It seems really small, and it is. I mean, it's small, but it has a lot of functionality to it. Not only that, but I counted 28 different colors and patterns that this comes in. So if you're looking for something and you're like, I don't really like that kind of pinky color, there are 27 other ones in all different colors and patterns. So let me show you really quickly, if I can get it to focus, the tag. So right now, this is only $29.46. That's a weird price, but $29.46 on QVC. You do have to pay shipping, but they do have days when shipping is free. So if you're wanting something and you want free shipping, keep an eye out for that. Also, they do have easy pay right now. 3 easy payments of $9.82. We'll get to the review in just a second, but I want to talk about QVC for just a second. Something to remember about QVC is that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you have used the wallet, worn the shoes, used the handbag, worn the shirt, washed it, okay, they will still accept it within 30 days. Now, if you're going to be a serial returner, maybe not. That's the best return policy of any store that I know. Nordstrom is known for having a really good return policy. They've kind of changed their return policy over the past couple years. So I would say QVC has the best. So just think about that. Another thing, and I've mentioned this before, after, I believe it's September 1st, they count kind of like September 1st as being the start of the holiday season. So anything you buy from September 1st through December 31st, I believe, you have until January 31st to return it. That's awesome. So if you get a gift for somebody and they don't like it, they have until after Christmas to return it. So there are really good reasons to shop at QVC. So just keep that in mind. Okay, let's get into the wallet. So it's like a nylon material. So I'm sure you can just wipe it clean. It has 2 zippers. This one has like a gunmetal hardware. You can see the little Lug branding there. And that's a really nice, sturdy zipper tab. So I really like that. And then on the back, there's a little change purse. You can see the cute lining there. So let's get into the first zipper. So the first one here. And you have a lot of space. I mean, look at that. A lot of space. It really opens up. Those gussets really do a good job at opening up how much you can put in here. So on the front part here, you have 1, 2, 3 card slots. Opposite that, you have another 3 right there. No, 2, sorry. 2 card slots there. And then you have another compartment with 2 card slots here, and then 3 card slots there. So that's what, 10 card slots. And then you have another compartment and 3 and 3. So that's 6. So 16 card slots just here. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 card slots just in this front pocket. That's pretty good. Something that I also want to mention is that this is RFID protected. So that's a good thing to note, especially when you're traveling, right? Just so you know, on the different prints, so this is a solid and it has this print on the inside. All the prints have different prints on the inside, so just so you know that. All right, let me zip this one back up and open that second one. Here we go. So we have a bill compartment back there, an ID area there, and then one, and then that's your ID, okay? And then another slot here, another slot here, and then 1 and 2 right there. So what can we put in there? We could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your ID. So 5 here, 16 on the other side, so 21 cards. If you're just doing them single, you know, you can double up. Plus the little change purse on the back. Let me give you some measurements really quickly on this. 4 5/8 inches on width, and then 3 3/4 inches in height, and then 1 inch in diameter, and this weighs 5 ounces. So I'm going to show you. And it has the little lug, that's a little lug plate right there. If you're looking for a compact wallet, I think this would be a great one. You're not going to break the bank on it. You can always check Rakuten. Today, now this isn't going to last, so just so you know, it changes for the most part several times a week. But today, QVC is 15% cash back on Rakuten. That's awesome. I don't think I've ever seen it that much. Ever. So if you want anything from QVC, be sure, or any store, be sure you go and look at Rakuten and see what percentage they have off for cash back. But I'm going to link this below for you in case you're interested in it. If you are interested in my hair, I will also link it below for you. I don't have a review on it yet, but I will. So when you're watching this, if you're watching this sometime in the future, I may have a review, so you can go look for it on my channel. This is Henry Margu Candace wig, and I still have the tag on it because I haven't worn it anywhere. Let me see what color it is. This is in the color 6H. So really pretty color, I think. My first wig in this color, so I'm really, really happy with it. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you will like and subscribe. I almost have 2,500 subscribers, so I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I hit 2,500, but I hope you do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.